Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your dishwasher is not draining but makes noise, it's likely due to a clog in the drain hose or filter. First, check and clean the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. If the problem persists, inspect the drain hose for kinks or obstructions. Disconnect the hose and use a straightened coat hanger or similar tool to remove any blockages. Ensure the hose is not kinked when you reattach it. These steps typically resolve drainage issues.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.